Okay, guys, how we doing? So the game that I chose was Adventures on GX12. So this was made by Telegames, and let me see. It reminds me of a lot of the older games, and apparently this one was the same as Adventures on Tron, but the name had to be changed because contracts ended with Disney, so they decided to change it to Adventures on GX12. So yeah, let's see if we can figure this out. I'm not that familiar with it, but let's give it a go, okay? Alright, so little character drops down. Just basics. Use the directional keys to move around. Space bar to jump. That's all I pretty much know right now. I know that these little things are moving me around. And then I know that I need to avoid those blocks. I went through the game like once, maybe twice. Oh shoot. Damn it. Oh, sorry. It's my language. So yeah, I know I'm supposed to avoid those. Other than that, I'm not exactly sure of the total concept of the game. But let's see what happens here. And then this guy is coming towards me. So I'm not exactly sure. Oh, damn. Got me. So last time I had like 1,000 points. So I'm not exactly sure how I obtained that and why I can't obtain it now. And then I'm not too. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that did something for me. Those little things. Let's see. Let's just see what these do. Oh shit, missed it. Nope, not. I guess. So I got 100 points from getting that blue thing. Let's see what this red thing does. Oh, another 300 points. So I guess reds are good. This is really old looking, like super strange. Hang on with that blue one. Nothing like I guess what we have around today. Honestly. All right. But basically, I guess I'm going after the good ones. I'm not sure what these do. Let me see if I can get up here and get this. Ah, shoot. No. Dang it. Well, anyways, guys, you want to avoid the blocks and I guess go after the flying objects, which are in turn like your points. Like that. Some of them do different things as it appears, changing the pattern of the layouts. I guess we have some reverses and things like that. I probably look so silly to someone that knows what they're doing in this game. And we definitely want to avoid that. So, let's see. Alright, so now back in there. Well, anyways, guys, that's the basis of the game. So, I hope you enjoyed watching me completely fail. Have a good night.